about the technology. We talk about basically the technology that is sellable, that is protected. So power lies basically the how much we are ahead in IP. Then similarly, this IP is also very important when we concern in the general routine life. When we consider a household worker, घर में जैसे काम करने वाले आते हैं, हम लोग क्या पे करते हैं? 200 रुपये रोज, 300 रुपये रोज, up for their 8 hours of work. In same way, हम लोग टीचिंग फैकल्टी से हैं, how much we are getting? 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs like this. For what? सुबह आया, अच्छे से नाश्ता किया, 2 घंटे 2.5 घंटे बात की, ना कुछ काम किया, डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे. When we visit to a doctor, for a 5 minutes he will charge, depending upon the expertise, 2000, 5000, 500, whatever. लॉयर के पास जाएंगे. See, there are several examples. For what they are charging, so they are charging for it. So this is the actually importance of IP. If we are owning IP at individual level, or we are owning IP at institution level, or we are owning the IP at country level, then definitely we are ahead from others. So this is the importance of IP. So IP is the basically, when we talk about intellectual property, so in general, when we talk about property, so property is anything that we have belongingness, ownership right basically. That is, it is owned to me, and for that we have some document, legal document. घर है तो उसकी रजिस्ट्री है, कुछ बाइक है, कुछ भी है. When we are having any legal document, and then we can prove that this is belong to me, that is ownership right. Similarly, in case of IP, that is the IP is basically not in the physical form, it is anything that is the genesis of mind. That is the product of mind. If I am having any idea, any concept in my mind, and I am not delivering, or anyone is not delivering, we cannot see or touch or transfer. So for transfer or for any other purpose, documentation purpose, like other property, we have to document our genesis of mind or product of mind for the benefit of society and for the benefit of country as a whole or an institution. So all IP rights, some common characteristics or nature. Normally, most of the IP rights, especially patents, they are territorial rights. Means, if we are wanted to get our patent protected, so we have to protect in particular state or particular country. If we wanted to protect our patent in the several countries, then we have to apply for several countries. So this is the territorial rights except copyright, that is global in nature. So when we acquire any IP rights, so we receive the monopoly right. Means no one can else use or utilize or sell or without the consent of the that IP right holder. And normally IP have particular fixed term, and after that particular time, then IP rights expire. So they come under the public domain. After that, anyone can use. Normally after a particular time, they also lost their significance. अगर कोई टेक्नोलॉजी है, सपोज करिए कि उसमें पेटेंटेड है 20 years के लिए है, after 20 years टेक्नोलॉजी का सिग्निफिकेंस भी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो दैट्स ऑल. नॉर्मली they come into the public domain, नॉर्मली उसका बहुत कुछ यूज नहीं हो पाता, या एक्सपायर. And so these are the different forms of IP. Major forms of IP is patent, copyright, trademarks, and industrial designs, layout design, GI, plant variety protection. All these are the different forms of IP that we have to protect. Now the patents are very major rights, very important rights. Those are basically granted to the inventors. Here inventors means that technology that has to be invented, not merely for discovery, or not merely for presence of technology or assembling of technology. Any the technology that has been invented, and such rights are granted especially to the inventor by the state. By the state means by the government, and once these rights are acquired by the individual, then individual they have ultimately monopoly rights. Means no one can use, or in any way no one can use without the consent of that right holder. Patents are normally 20 years for their fixed term after the filing of the patent, and they are already, I told that the territorial rights means if we wanted to protect our patent rights, then we have to